Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CatPro channel Quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. I hope that you are doing the 200 set playlist on our channel. You are doing all the quant quizzes, you are doing the free mocks, and you are doing the free verbal threads that are given to you every day. And if you wish to receive all of these in your in your WhatsApp inbox, you can just fill the information given in the description and you will start receiving them. Now, this is our set for today, the set that we have in our hand. In the data given below, table 1 indicates the number of trees planted by 6 friends on 3 days, day 1, day 2, and day 3. And table 2 shows the type of trees that are planted on these days. All right, so Ashish is planting 4 trees on day 1. Uh, 2 banana trees are planted on day 1. Similarly, 7 orange trees are planted on day 3. All right. It is given to us that from among Ashish, Dinesh, and Farhan, exactly 2 people. All right, so then there are some conditions given. Right. On any day, each of them planted only one type of tree. What does that mean? That if Ashish is planting 4 trees, it is not possible that he is planting 2 of apple, 1 of banana, 1 of coconut. No, he will be planting all these 4 trees together of a single type, which makes us quite easy to identify that on first day he must have planted 4 coconut because there is no other value of 4. Similarly, on second day he must have planted 4 coconut because there is no other value of. Now, let us start solving this. I know that there are these friends A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, so there are 3 days on which these friends are planting the trees. All right. So let me make a structure so that we can organize everything. And also, while I am making this general tip to everyone, that whenever you have such DLR sets, your organization of data is very important. So make sure that you are spending 1-2 minutes just to present the data beautifully. Because once you have done that, your life will be very, very easy. Now I know that now there are 3 days, no? Day 1, day 2, and day 3. I know that A has planted 4 of coconut because there is no other value. So 4 coconut. Similarly, 4 coconut. Right? Okay. All right. 1 and 1. There is only one value for Dinesh and one value for day 1, which is one of many. Okay. Now I can identify this. Now rest, nothing can be identified. This is the larger value 4, and there is no 4 here, which means this 4 must be included in this 7, right? This is a kind of a hint that is orange on 7 day can be 4 plus some values. 4 plus 2 plus 1, either this or 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, either this. Now 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is not possible because if I am using these values, then I am left with only 2 values. अगर मैं ये 4 values use कर लेता हूँ तो मेरे पास 2 ही values बचती हैं. And I have used these 4 values here. अगर मैं 4 values 7 में use कर लेता हूँ, if I am using these 4 values for this 7, and rest 3 values cannot be made to these 2, right? Because this 2 has to go together to some place, right? ये दो को मैं 1 1 नहीं लिख सकता because only one type of tree is planted by one friend. So only possible case is 4 plus 2 plus 1, right? So this again is a very good hint for me. Now when I write 4 plus 2 1 plus 1, Chetan is 4 of orange, and then 2 there is only one value, Bobby is 2 of orange, and then there is one value. One can come from these 3 and this. One can come from anyone, right? What is given to us? From Ashish, Dinesh, and Farhan, exactly 2 people planted the same type of trees every day. Okay. So in 3 में से कोई 2 लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने same type of tree करे हैं day 1, day 2, day 3. The person who planted exactly one orange tree on day 3 also had planted orange on first 2 days. So the orange person who is planting one orange tree here is planting orange here also, is planting orange here also on all the 3 days. All right. On second day, how many oranges are there? On second day, only one orange is there. which means a person who is planting one orange tree is also planting one orange tree. This is the person who must have two values as 1 1. ये वो बंदा है जिसकी दो वैल्यूज डे 2 और डे 3 दोनों की वैल्यू 1 1 होनी चाहिए. Now there are two people, Dinesh and Ekant. Both can be there. Dinesh and Ekant, both can be there. Okay. Now, but Dinesh is not possible. Why? Because a person who is planting orange is planting on all the 3 days, but Dinesh has already planted one mango on first day. So the only possibility is Ekant. So two mango, like two orange. On first day, how many oranges? Two oranges. That is sorted. On second day, one orange, sorted. On third day, one orange, sorted. Okay, so this is also done. Now I am left with only three people, B, C, and F, that I have to sort. Okay. Now before this, out of ADF, there are two people who are doing the same type of plantations every day. Right? तीन में से दो लोग ऐसे हैं. See, this is two coconut already. So it will be very easy for us to plant one more coconut over here. And in the exam, without thinking much, you should do this. But here we might question ourselves, ki kyun? Why cannot one coconut be anywhere else? Let us say I'm planting one coconut over here or anywhere else. Okay. Which means that this person will have some different type of fruit. Right? Agar coconut to ek hi hai na, then this person will have different type of fruit. This person already have two different fruits. Which means out of these three, two people cannot have the different type of fruits in that case, which means one coconut should definitely be there. Right now, one mango is there, one entry, 1 1 1. Though it is pretty easy to write 1 1 1, but let's try to think of something else. What if F is doing 2 2 1 and guava is also 2 2? Let us plant two guavas over here. Two guavas over here. And one guava over here. Let us say that out of A, D, and A and F are the people who are planting the same type of trees. Now the trees left are on last day only one mango is left, so it definitely has to go there. Now exactly two people were having same type of fruits. Please remember this, that exactly two people were having same type of fruits, which means that there are no three people. There are no three people, right? So this place cannot have mango. And what are the fruits left for second day? Coconut is done. Two guavas are done. One orange is done. Left is banana and mango. Now all of them will have okay. So the entry is left for B, C, D. All of them, all also 1 1 1. So basically there are two people who are having 1 1 banana each. So it is quite possible that it is one banana. So total two banana and one mango. But this is a contradiction. Why? Because in this case, ADF all will have same type of fruits. इस case में तो सबके same type of fruits हो जाएंगे. Which means this is not possible. फिर what can I do? One banana, one orange, one mango. That is left. That is also not possible because Dinesh did not plant a banana on day 2. So which means my assumption that F planted the same type of trees is a wrong assumption. The only possibility is one mango, one mango. And then there is guava left one place, one guava. Now for the rest of the fruits, I cannot say anything. Why? Because B and C, they are both planting 2 and 2 respectively. And F is also planting 2. Right. So these two can be interchanged. The fruits can be interchanged by anyone's. Apples, यहाँ भी आ सकते हैं, यहाँ भी आ सकते हैं, यहाँ भी आ सकते हैं. There is no condition. Similarly, F is planting 2 trees over here. But which tree it is? It is guava or it is 2 banana, I do not know, because there is 1 and 1 over here. It is possible that this is guava, these are 2 bananas, or it is possible that this is banana, it is banana, these are 2 guavas. So all these combinations are possible. So I will just write 1 1 2. I cannot identify it any further. All right. So this is the whole chart that I can make. Let's look at the question. Who planted orange on all the 3 days? Ekant. For how many friends the trees planted of each type can be determined uniquely? For how many friends I can define? 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 friends. The number of apples planted by Chetan on day 1 could be, it could be 2 or 0. जरूरी नहीं है कि ये दो apples ही हो, right? So apples यहाँ पे भी हो सकते हैं. So it can be either 2 or 0. Who planted 4 orange oak trees over the period of 3 days? 3 दिनों में मिला के 4 orange. इसने भी करे हैं, इसने भी करे हैं. So both C and E. Chetan and Ika. So this completes our set. A very interesting one, a tricky one, easy one, yet a tricky one. So these are actually the type of sets that you get in CAT exam, the sets which will, test you, right? I hope you have all enjoyed what you have seen. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.